Let us look at the diagram. Between this particular facility here and the other one there exists a radio relay link. This symbol means that RRU 800 is used, which can carry up to 24 telephone channels. It does not contain a multiplex facility, which is why the multiplex facility is added here. It has not been so important for this analysis because it does not transmit frequencies. It only facilitates the passage of signals along the relay route. What this stands for is a radio channel in the frequency range of 3 to 4 kilohertz. The multiplex facility enables the 24 channels to be combined into RRU 800, which are then transmitted along the route to the other station. At the other station, there's a similar multiplex which splits the signal into individual channels, so that at the end of the story we have 24 telephone channels here, and they are presented here. Let us now use diagram 18 from the document here to explain to you in technical terms how this particular link was established and with the use of which devices, if you'll allow me to. Question, yes. But before that, can you please place your signature and today's date on this diagram? Mr. Rodić, do you have elements for a radio link on this diagram to explain to us? Answer, no. That was not part of my analysis. I only said that this was one type of a radio link. I simply wanted to state that this particular link is a directed point-to-point communication, which is very important for the interception of conversations. Question, do you wish to say that if one wishes to hear the participants in a conversation, there must not exist a single obstacle between these 2 points? Answer, according to the regulations governing radio relaying, there must not be a single physical obstacle along not only the route that was plotted here, but between the 2 points there has to be what I called radio visibility. This means that below this particular line drawn here, there must not be any obstacles such as mountains and so on and so forth. This is the principle governing radio relaying. The energy between these 2 points is transmitted as an ellipsoid. The area within the ellipsoid must be free. This is called the first Fresnel zone, a free zone. This term is contained in my expert report.